Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're doing a real quick one just to show you a new feature in Photoshop and how to replace the sky. So I'm going to go to my file here. I've got a really nice landscape. Going to right click on it and we're going to open this with Photoshop 2022. So you can here see the picture loaded. Okay, this is super simple. So all you really need to do is go to edit and then click on sky replacement. Then on the right hand side here, you can see the box, it's loading, and you can see a sky here, and Photoshop will straight away start detecting the sky and changing it. And you can see how awesome this feature is. Now there's a lot preloaded already that you can look into. So we've got different types of skies. So let's click on this sunset and then give Photoshop some time to work on it. And you can already see that being replaced. Next to the preloaded ones, you can also import your own. Then next to that, of course, you can also change a few of the settings to play with and to fine tune. So you can see that difference there on how it reacts over the clouds and around the mountain. Then clicking on OK, and you can see it creates another layer for you to work with. So also it's really easy to turn on and to turn off. That's it guys, have fun.